is Network 18, and you are watching CNN IBN.
Welcome back. You're with our special 30 minutes Paisa, Power and Politics. Now, you don't have to be a political party and engage in political activity. Surprised? Well, it's true. The Election Commission has 900 parties that are registered as political parties, and not many of them are either planning to or have ever fought an election. Our first stop in this journey to find a political party that does constructive politics is Patna. We enter the office of the Champaran Vikas Party. A flat is what we find. Surprisingly, the nameplate bears the name of a BJP MLA, Vinod Narayan Jha.
नहीं, यहाँ कोई चंपारण विकास पार्टी का ऑफिस नहीं है।
हमको तो नहीं जानकारी है, सब बगल में देख लेना तो।
No one knows whether this party ever existed. The next one, Bihar People's Party.
पार्टी के लोग नहीं हैं।
An empty house with mattresses and pillows strewn all over. It's serving as a guest house for a marriage party. The Krantikari Samyavadi Party now. We meet Bankim Chandra Sen here, a BJP worker who's been coming here from Purnia for the last 15 years.
हम तो कभी देखा है भैया।
We're still not giving up, and look what we find. Finally, a board of the Bharatiya Moomin Party. It also serves as a clinic for Dr. Mehboob Ansari. Not too much of political activity, but we do find the doctor's brother.
करीब हम समझ रहे हैं कि 20 साल के करीब हो गया.
So finally a party that exists and perhaps at least has meetings. Bihar today has more than 100 such parties, registered but carrying out their own businesses, some even from government quarters.
This is the office of the Loktantrik Samta Dal. They have a president and were registered 3 years ago. We meet one of their office bearers and ask for the registration number.
बताइए पार्टी का रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर सिंबल क्या है?
अभी हमको पता नहीं है, जिसे मिला नहीं है। सब देखिए तो जी।
पार्टी आपका चुनाव लड़ा है इससे पहले या लड़ेगा अभी?
हाँ, चुनाव लड़ा है।
कब?
पार्टी चुनाव लड़ा है 2003 में 4 में लड़ा था चुनाव।
Come down to Hyderabad and the situation is a little better. At least many of these registered parties exist or did exist in the past. Many of these parties have now merged or allied with existing regional heavyweights.
This is the office of the BC United Front, formed in 2004 by P. Ramakrishnaiah, retired officer from the Indian Ordnance Factory. The party is now in talks with Chiranjeevi's political party to forge an alliance. These shut shops are all that remain of the Anna Telugu Desam Party, formed in 1999 by Nandamuri Harikrishna.
Remember, all donations to political parties are exempt from any tax, and the Election Commission fears that these may only be one of the many which exist on paper and have been floated to collect funds and evade tax. And add to that the easy registration of a party, and you have a tax evasion racket. So, what's the way out?
Remember, to gain recognition, the state party must have some kind of political activity for at least 5 continuous years and send at least 4% of the state's quota to the Lok Sabha.
But here in UP, we've got what can be safely called one-room political parties. They work in seasons, have no major following, and simply vanish away for months.
When we went to visit the Loktantrik Party and the Ekalavya Samaj Party, all we found were locks. The parties had shut for the day. Still ahead on 30 minutes, just how far will political parties go to hide their money?